25 luckiest people caught on camera. Trust me, you gotta stay until number 1 for this one. You're not gonna want to miss out on the luckiest person ever caught on tape. Your mind's gonna be blown. Number 25. Nature loves to show us its magic. Check out these two bucks with one antler each, coming together to appear as one. It's absolutely breathtaking. Number 24. These two guys were doing some sick jumps when they both started getting a little bit too close to each other. During their last jump, they narrowly missed each other. Number 23. Here's a clip straight out of mythological stories. This guy jumps into the water with a trident and catches not just one, but 2 fish. Impressive.
Get it? Oh my, you got 2! Oh my god!
Number 22. This near-fatal accident was caught on camera. A car drives towards a train track when suddenly, without warning, a train comes speeding down the tracks. The car misses by mere inches by swerving. Number 21. Here's another amazing moment. Watch as this lucky singer catches a cup of beer thrown at him from a crowd of fans. He proceeds to drink it like no big deal. Number 20. This is a prank gone wrong. Or is it right? This guy was holding a cake when one of his pals tries to knock it out of his hands. He goes flying into the air when suddenly another friend catches it perfectly. Number 19. Bears are cool, but this bear is the coolest. A family of tourists are seen waving at a bear, who then waves back. Then, as a treat, they toss a piece of bread at the bear. The bear catches it cleanly in its mouth.
Hi! You get him?
Yeah.
Number 18. This streamer is the epitome of coolness. Someone asked him to do something cool while playing Cyberpunk, and he hit a lightest and flipped over perfectly without slowing down. He immediately puts on his shades because, well, he's just that cool. Number 17. Check out this random guy being interviewed during a documentary shoot. Nothing out of the ordinary, right? Well, wait, is that George Lucas? Yep, the Star Wars creator passes right behind the guy in this random moment.
Out of.
Number 16. Check out this drone shot. Amazingly, it flies under a narrow opening in the fence. That's something only a skilled pilot can do. Number 15. In this next clip, a tire comes rolling off of a race car and travels down the track, missing all of the other cars and then bouncing into the air, and amazingly lands perfectly on a pile of tires.
Go straight through in the
Celery.
Look at that.
How about
Beautiful
that?
time.
Oh, that's going to go straight there. Oh, over the side. Good.
Number 14. Watch this amazing yet terrifying flip from a car. It looks like he meant to do that. I hope. He lands it so cleanly and just continues to drive like nothing happened. Number 13. This next guy's aim is too accurate to believe without seeing it on camera. He lays on the ground and shoots a blow dart at a bug on the ceiling and miraculously gets it. Number 12. We all want this next guy's luck. He wins 16 grand in a casino jackpot all while live streaming it. He claims he's shaking, but I bet we will be too.
Jackpot ever. Thank you, and you guys saw it live. Holy cow, I am shaking.
Number 11. This next crazy driver decided to drive right through a raging river. He makes it about halfway before he nearly gets swept away. With some luck and skill, he manages to make it back onto the road safely. Don't try this at home, or out on the streets in your own car. Number 10. Something lucky happens when this guy is trimming a tree. When he cut it, it falls over and landed perfectly upright. Now that is some luck. Number 9. Talk about perfect timing. Watch these two guys high-five right as a confetti cannon shoots behind them. It was meant to be.
It goes around, bonk, it hits something.
Number 8. Check out this truck driving down the highway. It nearly tips over several times due to the wind. Would you be nervous driving near this thing? Number 7. Next, this thing is really cool. Watch as this guy tosses a Coke bottle onto the ground, turning it into a spewing rocket. But wait, there's more. Watch as it lands the most amazing bottle flip anyone has ever seen.
That's it.
That's the best one we've had.
Number 6. Here is a life or death moment. This guy was practicing a drill with a grenade when he accidentally drops the grenade at his feet. The sergeant acts fast and grabs the guy and tosses him to safety. Number 5. These kids were playing a normal basketball game when one player tosses the ball from behind his back and gets it right into the basket. You can hear the astonishment from everyone in the gym. Number 4. Karma played a trick here. This fan is seen making fun of a hockey player that got hit in the face with a puck. Moments later, you guessed it, a puck flies into the crowd and hits that exact same fan.
It goes around, bonk, it hits something. And it's over. This is the fan. The same fan that was giving Sullivan a hard time.
Number 3. Volleyball turns into basketball when this girl gets hit in the face and it goes flying into the basketball net on the same court. Does that count? Does she get a point? I hope so for taking that one like a champ. Number 2. Dropping your phone on a roller coaster is a nightmare, but luckily this guy catches the phone that somebody dropped effortlessly. Number 1. This streamer caught a rare moment during his stream. He sits near a window and behind him, you can see a shooting star.
He's probably not going to be here for a bit. He dipped for...
Was that a comet?
Check out one of these videos on your screen. See you there.